Improving your fitness doesn't stop at the gym if you want to increase muscle strength and lose body fat. It is important to consume nutrient-dense foods that nourish and restore the body after exercise. Both diet and exercise are essential if you want to gain muscle mass. It's important to challenge your body with physical activity, but without healthy and proper nutritional support, your progress will start. Take this list to the grocery store and pick up these 10 foods to help you build muscle, strength, and health. Number 10. Wild salmon. Packed with 20 grams of protein per 100 grams serving, wild salmon will fuel your body. Wild salmon is also a good source of omega-3 fatty acids. However, avoid farmed salmon. They are often given a poor diet and have limited nutritional benefits. Number 9. Egg. As one of nature's most complex, nutritious, and flexible foods, eggs are the gold protein standard. Each egg contains 7 grams of protein as well as many other important vitamins and minerals. Egg whites have always been popular in low-calorie diets, but if you want to build muscle, it's a good idea to include egg yolks. Whole eggs are a good source of protein, healthy fats, and vitamins. Number 8. Quinoa. In recent years, quinoa has become popular due to its wide range of health benefits. Quinoa is rich in protein, amino acids, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Not only that, but it's also naturally gluten-free. No wonder this humble little seed is so popular. Interestingly, quinoa has more protein than other whole grains. In addition, it is rich in minerals and vitamins, especially B vitamins. If you're not familiar with B vitamins, they help your metabolism and digest protein and carbohydrates, which help you gain weight. Number 7. Spinach. Spinach is a great fuel for building muscle because it contains iron and nitrates that promote muscle growth. These nitrates also help regulate blood pressure, the immune system, and cellular metabolism. Serve dinner every night on a bed of spinach, cooked or raw, to ensure even and tasty nutrition. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Dairy products contain both high-quality protein and a combination of fast-digesting whey protein and slow-digesting casein. Research shows that people gain muscle mass by consuming both fast and slow-digesting dairy proteins. But not all dairy is created equal. Greek yogurt has about twice as much protein as regular yogurt. Protein-rich Greek yogurt is packed with vitamin D, which aids in the body's absorption of phosphorus and calcium. Number 5. Sunflower seeds. With 23 grams of protein per serving, sunflower seeds are a tasty and healthy muscle-building snack. Sunflower seeds get health food bonus points because they are low in cholesterol and sodium. Number 4. Soybeans. Yes. Just half cup of cooked soybeans has 17 grams of protein, healthy unsaturated fats, and many vitamins and minerals. Soybean is a particularly excellent source of vitamin K, iron, and phosphorus. Iron is used to store and carry oxygen in your blood and muscles. Number 3. Chicken. You may already know that chicken is a staple of any high-protein, low-fat diet. Here's why. Chicken's protein-to-fat ratio is unbeatable, with a whopping 31 grams of protein and just 4 grams of fat in a hearty 100-gram serving. For a delicious, protein-packed lunch, stir-fry chicken with spinach, quinoa, or garlic. Number 2. Tuna. In addition to 21 grams of protein per 3-ounce, 85-gram serving, tuna is also high in vitamin A and many B vitamins, like B12, niacin, and B6. These nutrients are essential for optimal health, energy, and athletic performance. In addition, tuna provides plenty of omega-3 fatty acids, which support muscle health. Especially important for the elderly. Research shows that omega-3 fatty acids can hinder the loss of muscle mass and strength that happens with age. Number 1. Lean jerky. When you're on the go, have a high-quality protein sourced from meat, like lean jerky. Many different kinds of meat can be made into jerky, so the nutritional content varies. Most of the fat is removed from lean jerky during processing, so almost all of the calories in jerky come directly from the protein. Before we start the next part, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Importance of nutrition. The right foods can help people build muscle, recover from exercise, and maintain energy levels. The International Society of Sports Nutrition recommends that intaking 1.4 to 2.0 grams g of protein per kilogram kg of your body weight per day is sufficient for most exercising people to build and keep muscle mass. People who do high-intensity resistance training can consume up to 3 grams of body weight per day. In order to optimally build muscle, a person also needs to eat enough carbohydrates. Carbs replenish glycogen stores in the muscles and liver and help avoid fatigue during exercise. ISSN recommends consuming 45 to 55% carbohydrates per day for a general fitness program. However, a person with a lot of training may need more. To support any exercise program, including resistance training, people need to eat a healthy diet that contains vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. They should also make sure they are well hydrated. Vitamins, minerals, and water help people perform well, recover from exercise and maintain overall health. In order to build a reliable source of muscle mass in the best possible way, it is also important to create a caloric surplus by consuming more calories than one burns. How long does it take to gain muscle? Unfortunately, muscle growth is not an overnight process. It can be frustrating to spend hours in the gym and in the kitchen only to be brave after weeks of no visible progress. But rest assured, depending on your fitness level, you can see visible results within 8 weeks if you eat the right foods and increase your strength training. Go ahead and try to be as patient as possible. The world of nutrition and muscle growth can be very confusing. Between the latest health trends, fad diets, the latest must-have exercise machines, and the toxic weight loss culture, it's easy to throw in the towel and reach for the box of sandwich cookies. But in all this chaos, something about fitness and muscle growth has held true. One of the biggest truths is that abs really are made in the kitchen. You can work out like crazy with a fancy gym membership, but without proper nutrition, your body is just running on toxic fumes. Finally, if you need a quick meal replacement or a quick and easy way to add more protein to your routine, try a protein powder. While any good diet should be based on whole foods, supplements can sometimes be helpful. If you have trouble getting enough protein from food alone, consider adding protein shakes to your daily intake. The most popular are milk protein powders such as whey and casein. Other options include soybeans and peas. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality videos. Thanks for tuning in. Wishing you a great day.